You won't stop making this simple and easy dinner recipe.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
Hi fam, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing fine. If it's your first time coming across this channel, my name is Temi and you're welcome to Temi Best World Family. Yeah, and for my new subscribers, thanks for subscribing to my channel. Alright, in today's video, I'm going to prepare with you guys my dinner. Let me know in the comment section what you've already prepared for dinner or what you are going to prepare for dinner. So I'm going to share with you guys this new recipe that I can never get off. Like I can't get rid of this recipe. So this is my gizzard, my chicken gizzard. If you want to use meat, you're good to go. I always parboil my gizzard before I'll add any seasoning at all because I don't like all those dead water there. So I will add my garlic powder, my black pepper, my curry powder, and my salt. Mhm. I will be dropping all the name in the screen or on the screen. So one thing I will tell you guys is that when you are cooking this type of recipe, don't add so much water. Add small water so that your seasoning can cook well with your meat. I don't think you guys get it. You can see that I not add too much water. All right. So this is my plantain. I've already cut my plantain because I don't want this video to be long. Slice the plantain this way, cut it like a cube. Yeah, then you go straight, add your oil, your vegetable oil, then you fry it. This is the new recipe I'm showing you guys. This is my potato. Yeah, I'm going to cut my potato like cube. Just see the way I'm cutting it. One thing is that we are not going to fry this potato, but we are going to roast it. I will surely show you guys how to roast this potato. Like, I can't get off this recipe. Like, it's so simple and so delicious. Oh my goodness sake. Now, you can't be just having rice, semo, pando. Mm-mm-mm. We have to try another simple recipe that we can go for, especially dinner. Yeah, so I'm trying to fry my plantain at my bar because I'm using the front flame, so I have to fry it there. All right, make sure you don't let your plantain fry too much. If you are frying it, make sure you are there. Don't leave or left your plantain. So it's time to roast our potato. I'm going to add my vegetable oil. You can add your olive oil if you have. Then I will take all my potato or my sliced potato or cut potatoes in my olive oil or in my fry pan. Then we are going to add our seasoning. Yeah, don't add too much oil, just add small. This is my black pepper. If you don't have black pepper, skip this. But with black pepper, it's going to give you different taste. Trust me. Black pepper entirely have another taste that you can't get from any pepper at all. So that is my flavor, and I'm adding my salt. Add anything you are using to prepare your food at all, but don't add curry powder. Don't add curry powder, don't add any red or yellow stuff. Just add your flavor, your Maggi, your salt. If you have black pepper, go on and add it. Then we mix everything together. We cover it to cook in a low heat. Don't high your flame. Yeah, cook it in a low heat. With this, you are going to get different taste. I bet you guys. The next step for us is to cut our onions, yellow pepper, green pepper, and our scotch pepper. Is it scotch? Let me call it habanero pepper. Yeah. So I'm going to make use of this my hand manner. I love this my hand manner. I went back to the store to get this, as in to get extra one in case this one gets spoiled, but I could not find again. They've taken everything. I could not find it to buy where I got. I was like, why didn't I take two? Because whenever I order this from online, it gets spoiled quickly. Yeah, and I love this one. Like you don't need to slice your ingredients too much. Just divide it anyhow. Then you are good to go with it. So this is my yellow pepper. I'm going to grate it with that hand manual. Let me use this opportunity to say this. Please, guys, especially those who are living in abroad, please eat good food into your stomach. Like you guys deserve this. You are working so hard going out early in the morning to find money to work so that everybody is going to be okay in the family, both here and in Africa. Please, guys, eat good food. All this thing I'm showing you guys is not going to take you a lot of money. If you have 30 euro, not even up to 30 euro, you are going to get this done. How much did I get my gizzard? I got my gizzard for 10 euro. Okay, I got my habanero pepper, like you can get 2 euro. Then the green and yellow pepper, like the two, you can get it for 2 euro. Then how much is plantain? Like you're not going to spend 25 euro in preparing this. You guys eat good food into your stomach. You deserve this. Like seriously. So let's get back to business. So our potato is well cooked. If you want to know if your potato is well cooked, use your hand to press it. And yeah, that's it. So this is my onions. I'm going to fry separate stew. Then I will make use of that stew for her potato. This is my potato and my fried plantain, and here is my cooked gizzard. If you want to use meat, you are good to go, but I will advise you to use gizzard because it's so cool with gizzard. All right, so this is my stew. We are going to use spaghetti. If you want to use white rice, it's fine. As a matter of fact, I love white rice in this recipe than spaghetti. All right, so if you don't like spicy stuff, skip this habanero pepper because it's so spicy, and I love it spicy because we're in cold time. Yes, this is my time. I'm going to add my time. Then what we are going to do is to put small oil in your pan, then turn your yellow and green pepper with some onions. Fry it like 5 minutes, then return it back to your stew. You should take small stew as from your stew that you fried already because it's going to be too much. And we don't need too much stew, just small stew, to roast all those stuff that we've already fried. I'm trying to add my nutmeg. There is one this scent that nutmeg do give if you are cooking. Then we will go on and add gizzard. I fried this gizzard. I really didn't fry it, but I fry it just small fry. You know. Then I put all the ingredients. Like seriously, this is so video. When my husband saw it, he was like, "I beg, can you just give me this?" So I gave it to him. So this is my potato and my fried plantain. Try this combo. Let me know in the comment section you're going to try it. Try it and give me feedback. I really want to know what you think about this. If you really love it, your family really love it, then you should let me know in the comment section. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Like, look at this. Oh my God. My husband brother just went straight to go and take bread. He said no, he's not going to use spaghetti. He used bread for it. Yeah, and I'm trying to boil my spaghetti, and that is it. I think I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Before we forget, guys, I really wanted to change this my channel name. Should we change it or no? Please, I've already dropped something in my community. You guys should give me answer. I will be checking my community. And thank you guys for coming once again. Please don't forget to subscribe. Help me to share my video out. Let's get this channel to 1K before next month or next month. All right, bye.